here with my colleague Daniele De Angelis, and we're here in Athens with Label.M Greece. Today we showcased our 3 collections. Metaculture, which is our creative education collection, Empowering You, which is our Label.M campaign, and Revive 6.0, which is our Toni&Guy advertising campaign. We showed how we can share education, knowledge is power, and how we manipulate hair using super textures by using our Label.M product range. Our personalized hair care range, which has just had a brand new relaunch and a revamp. So together with the Toni&Guy techniques, the Label.M products and education, we created this beautiful seminar for our lovely Greek audience. Today we share for the last couple of hours Metaculture, which is our brand new creative cast color collection, and we recreate the looks using our professional hair care range Label.M, which has just been revamped and shows how cut, colors and product and finishes it comes together to create the ultimate package. We shared education with all our people here from Greece and with much love, and we love to come around, and the feedback has been so far absolutely amazing, and we love the education, the inside, the technique, and also how to use the product, which is a very important part of what we do. Thank you very much for listening. I hope to see you either here in one of our seminars or back in London where we're based. Thank you very much for now, and take care.
Ένα από τα brand τα οποία χρησιμοποιούμε είναι η Label.M και αυτή τη στιγμή παρουσιάζουμε ένα Toni&Guy Seminar στην Αθήνα για το 2023. Καλεσμένοι μας από το Λονδίνο είναι ο Cos Sakkas και ο Daniele De Angelis. Ο Cos Sakkas είναι 2 φορές back-to-back International Hairdresser of the Year, πάνω από 3 φορές British Hairdresser of the Year. Είναι ο επικεφαλής της Movens, καλλιτεχνικός διευθυντής για την Toni&Guy και για τη Label.M παγκοσμίως. Είναι ένας άνθρωπος που εμπνέει, δημιουργεί και συνεχίζει να μας εκπλήσει με τις ικανότητες του εδώ και 30 περίπου χρόνια. Μαζί του είναι συνεργάτης στενός στον απόσπαστο της Toni&Guy, ο Daniele De Angelis, 2 φορές British Hairdresser of the Year, και έχουν έρθει εδώ να μας παρουσιάσουμε την καινούργια κολεξιόν. Είναι η Toni&Guy Metaculture και η Label.M Empowering.